Welcome back to Matt's Lover. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more real-world construction and lifting safety content. Today, we're talking about crane capacity calculations and real-life problems that happen on site. If you've ever wondered how to safely lift heavy loads or avoid overloading a crane, this video is for you. Let's begin with the basics. The crane capacity is the maximum load a crane can lift safely under specific conditions. It's not a fixed number. It depends on the boom length, the angle, the radius of the load from the center of the crane, and even wind or ground conditions. Many accidents happen because people only look at the label of the crane. Just because it says 100 tons doesn't mean it can lift 100 tons in every setup. You need to match the load to the exact capacity at the working radius. Let's take a real example. You're lifting a 12-ton HVAC unit using a 100-ton crane at an 18-meter radius. You check the load chart. It says the crane's capacity at 18 meters is only 10.5 tons. That means you're over by 1.5 tons, and that's a serious risk. This kind of mistake happens when someone trusts the crane's size, not the math behind it. Always check the radius and actual configuration before lifting. Another example, you're using a crawler crane to lift 8 tons at a 12-meter radius. The load chart says it's okay, but you forget to add the weight of slings, shackles, and spreader bars, which add another 1.2 tons. Now your actual load is 9.2 tons. You accidentally gone over the limit. That's how small details can cause big problems. Here's how you calculate crane capacity safely. Step 1, know the exact weight of your load, including all accessories. Step 2, measure the radius from the crane's rotation center to the load. Step 3, open the correct load chart for your crane and set up. Step 4, find the capacity for your exact boom length and radius. Step 5, make sure your total load stays within 75 to 85% of that capacity. And step 6, always consider site conditions like soft ground, wind, or obstructions. Now let's talk about common overloading mistakes. It's using the wrong load chart, ignoring boom deflection, guessing the radius instead of measuring, not including the weight of rigging gear. It's not checking the ground, and relying on shortcuts instead of calculations. All of these mistakes can cause crane failure or accidents. And they're easy to avoid if you stick to proper planning. Here are a few pro tips. Use crane capacity calculator apps. Double check your numbers with your team. Train your riggers well. Always have an approved lifting plan. And never work in unsafe site conditions. Let's summarize. Crane capacity changes depending on the setup. You must do the math every time. Real-world problems happen when people skip steps or ignore small details. And every mistake could lead to a major accident. So always calculate, never guess. Stay alert and stay safe. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, give this video a like and drop your thoughts or questions in the comments.
And don't forget to subscribe to Mass Lover for more construction safety videos. See you next time.